guys, it's Amir Akhtar, just on my way into Mississauga. I guess all of you, I'm sure all of you know by now, I've got two offices, one in London, Ontario, where I reside, the other is in Mississauga, Ontario. Mississauga, Ontario being the office where I started out of. Well, my parents' basement being where I started out of, and then later on transitioned into a professional office space, and pretty much took over most of that office space after the fact. And then we expanded into London, Ontario, and then we decided to move from Mississauga to London, Ontario, my wife and I, and my daughter. Basically, I just wanted to touch bases with you guys. Yesterday was a crazy day. Since the day before yesterday was a crazy day. The Minister of Immigration and his department released the guide day before yesterday, so we only had the application forms for a day. I had to fill them out with all the clients that I was going to submit through this new portal. And the following day, early in the morning, 6 a.m., got started pushing all the applications together, getting all the documents together. Everybody is running around in the offices, at home these days, all my staff, going back and forth with the clients, trying to get all their documents in order and together. But we did it, and that's the main thing. Some of the things that people don't see behind legal professionals is our lives. And the fact of the matter is we don't have any lives. What we do is day in, day out, we have to always be on top of the ball. We always have to be three steps further than our adversaries in the litigation process. That's being, the Crown Attorney or the Crown Attorney's office, or that's, being ready and prepared to speak to questions that are going to be asked of your clients. Not only that, be keen on the law, because the funny thing that a lot of people don't understand about professionals, and I'm sure you professionals can relate out there, is that not only do we run our businesses, the self-employed professionals, not only are we in the rigors of being entrepreneurs and constantly, being innovative, trying new ideas, and taking care of our administration, we are also professionals, and we practice a certain profession, mine being law. I am a practitioner, and I have to stay current, up to date on the laws of the land. Although I do have staff these days, I have an excellent wife who assists me with all of that as well, and family members and everybody around me. But the core values of the law is something only I'm trained to really understand. And these are things I got to stay up to date on in relation to also running my businesses. And it can get a little bit hard. The pressure is generally always on the shoulders. We always got bags under our eyes. But this is what we wake up in the morning for, and this is why this is why I get out of bed every day, and I do what I got to do to make it right. Now, going forward in terms of immigration, what's going to happen, what's going on, I don't know. I'm hoping to see more and more programs like this inland in terms of regulating the status of individuals who have already come to Canada and trying to assist them to continue their lives here. I can see Immigration Canada making this a trend. I hope they're making this a trend. There were a lot of glitches in the application yesterday, and I hope if going forward the minister decides to unveil programs like this in the future, he does look to fix his internal computerizing or processing systems. It was daunting and highly stressful not knowing if whether or not the system was going to keep up with the momentum, because it kept on crashing. That was a bit scary. I'm hoping in the future that they rectify that problem, and we have more and more immigrants who are in our country given the opportunity to regulate their status. And that was one of the best things about yesterday, and that was one of the amazing things about my clients, and it was an amazing feeling being able to call them at the time it was submitted to let them know, hey, look, your applications are submitted and you're en route to permanent residence. And again, I hope anybody who did submit their applications are en route to becoming permanent residents of Canada, and I wish you the best of luck for the future. Have yourselves a great day. It is about 8 a.m. in the morning, and I anticipate to be in my office by 9 a.m. in Mississauga, Ontario. Have a great day, guys, and hopefully I'll get back to you.